Today I'd like to show you how to fix floor squeaking for a carpet. The tools you're gonna need is this power drill and this floor stop squeaking kit. You can buy this from Home Depot, about $20. And I used this before. It is pretty good. And these are options, and I will show you why I need this. This is to fan the joist underneath your floor, the tape measure, and a stud fender. So here's my carpet. If you can hear it, have this squeaking noise. That's what we're gonna fix. And so basically we're gonna shoot a screw underneath the carpet onto the joist. So basically the sound coming from the rubbing or friction between your subfloor and the joist. So it's two wood rubbing together each other. So once you fix them, like attach them using the screw, fasten them together, the sound will go away. But the key point is how you fan the joist, and I'm going to show you later on. We're going to fan the joist from the lower level. So this is my second floor, and we can go to downstairs and from underneath use the stud fender to fan the joist. And then we're going to measure the distance from the wall to the joist from first floor, and then we measure the distance again on the second floor to locate the joist. Just measured roughly from upstairs is about 60 inches, so 5 feet. And also I know my joist is running this way, and so that's you need to know, because you need to know if it's running this way or that way, and you can locate your stud. And then and so I have located stud, so I just measure that from here. It's about 60 inches. So if you don't have a lower level floor, for example, if it's your first floor and you have a slab basement, you don't have any basement, and then you can also use this method, not using the stud fender, but from the wall. If you know how much distance between your joists, say it's 16 inches, and then you can roughly know where is that. I'm gonna unpack this kit. So let's see. Okay, so this is the thing you're gonna need. Put on the floor. What is this thing? So this is for the hardwood floor. If you have any squeaking for the hardwood floor, this is we're not gonna need it today. We're gonna fix the carpet. So, and this is the screw you're gonna drill. So this is the sample. Anyway, so this is a screw you're gonna drill through your carpet like that. Hold that like that and drill through it. And the key is the special part of this screw is at here you can break it. So once you drill it through, and you just tilt it a little bit to break this screw, and so there's nothing left above your subfloor, so you don't feel anything when you step onto your your carpet. Okay, so they also provide this drill bits for your convenience. Okay, so I put the tape measure here, and see it's about 60. And then you just break it like this. Okay, which is good. And then you want to do another one here. Okay, so I put around like 4 or 5, and I figure out I was doing 60.75, and then move a little bit back to 60.25 inches from the wall. That works pretty well, and so you can. So no sound right now. I mean, this is the door of my closet. See, there's no squeaking at all. So it's perfect fix at this time. And also the tools, the side of the tools is to break the left screw. So what you're gonna do is you just tilt it this way, and then just break it. Okay. This is my bathroom. It's also got a little bit of squeaking, and now it's works very well.